Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see here there are some interesting features and the drawing is this one. We start by creating this contour, revolve, external and internal. Let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw a vertical line as a center line. This is 31. Then I disable this and I draw other lines. Take a look here. Left, down, then I draw an arc starting from here, going somewhere here with a radius of 50. This point is on this axis. Then I apply extend here. I apply split. I place the dimension of 27 here. And I make this as a construction line. I don't know if they are still tangent. They are. Then other lines. Horizontal, down, right, down. I go somewhere here, up, and this line. Then I use center point arc to create another arc, as you can see now. You see yellow squares. This means that this endpoint is on this line, this endpoint is on this line. Trim for this small line and other dimensions. This is 47. This is 4, diameter of 78, this line. Now I apply coincident between this line and this point. Other dimensions are this diameter of 84, this diameter of 95, this is 5, but it must be here. The other is 2. And we have only one dimension needed, this diameter, 22. Good. Now we have a close contour. This line close that contour and we can apply revolve. This is the first volume. We continue with this extension. 22 goes on 18. I select this face, I project the area and I apply extrude the other direction of 18 with join. Okay. Next are these two ribs, 1, 2, with dimensions 70, 28 from the bottom, from here, and radius 5. Let's create this. We use the plane XY, F7, and now we have this contour, but we have to place the start inside here because this is a generator, spherical end. So we project this line and we apply offset to go somewhere inside. For instance, here, 1 millimeter. Then we draw two lines. One is this and the other is right here. We close this by creating that small line. This is construction, and that dimensions are 27 from the bottom or from the center point. You decide what of them is better, which of them are better or is better. This is 30, this is half of 70. 70 divided by 2. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical on 8. You see 8 right here. Then we apply fillet of 5. Okay, and we apply mirror of the last two features about the plane XY, YZ, not XY. And then we create the other cylinder, this one, placed in a plane at 30 degrees from this axis. Or if I consider this plane, which is the plane of the ribs, XY, we measure here 90 plus 30 degrees. Let's create that plane firstly. We create a plane based on XY plane and Y axis. Then 90 plus 30, as I said, 90 plus 30. Okay. Dimensions are 22 as a diameter, and this cylinder with a length of 18. The distance is 25 from the axis. Good. We use this plane for a new sketch. F7. We use rectangle and we create this contour. The distance is 25 from the center point. This is a center line. Diameter is 22. (18) is this, and there is another dimension. The dimension is 25 from up to this line, not to this line. Dimension here of 25. We have a fully constrained sketch, OK, and we apply revolve with join. Good. Now you see inside two cylinders. Another small cylinder is this one. Let me show you on the part. This one. We start with the cylinder and we continue with this face. Dimensions are 23 from the same line, this line, 8 here, and radius 4, and again 22. 22 is also in other features. Good. The plane is this one, not XY, but YZ is the plane for a new sketch. Again, this rectangle, we can place here the dimension of 8, then the distance from the center line or the center point of 22. This is a center line and the diameter is 8. The diameter is 4 multiplied by 2 to be rigorous. The other dimension is 23 to this line. 23. Finish sketch, revolve. OK. We have to extend this feature, as I said, with this flat face. And to do this, we use this plane for a new sketch. We project geometry, this and this, F7. Then we draw a line from this point to this circle. You see tangent up there, and again this. Finish sketch, extrude. We extrude both this and this area to the part. Not cut, but join. Yes. Okay. Next is one of these features. This, also the hole, also the fillet, because if you take a look at the drawing, you see here undimensioned fillets are radius 1. This is radius 1. We create a new plane on this face and we draw a circle right here with a radius 6. It is placed on the same vertical with the center point. I can find the center point because it is invisible, but we know where it is. This dimension is half of 90. 90 divided by 2. You see that dimensions here. This is 90 and this is radius 6. Now the hole, this hole, 760.75. Finish sketch, extrude to this face with join, of course. Okay, then hole, this kind of hole, spot face with dimensions 0.75 and 6. Where? On this face with this center. Okay. Oh, I made a mistake here. Let me see what is the problem. 7, 0, 75, and this is 4, not 6, my friends. The age is talking here. Then fillet of 1, not 2. 1 to both sides. Okay. Now we apply circular pattern. You see there are 6 features or group of features. Circular pattern of this group of features. 1, 2, 3, and this one. No, this is not. With the center here and the number of instances is 6 by default. Okay. We continue with holes in these 3 features. The first one is this one. You see there is a diameter of 16, a diameter of 12, and a distance of 13, plus this chamfer 2 at 45. We use this old plane F7 and we connect this center point with this not center point. Why? Because this is smaller than this. This is a center line. Now we have a fully constrained sketch already. Yes, but we didn't create other features, lines for new features. I used to connect this even if we have this line. Then this is 12, the other is 16, and inside is 13. Finish sketch, revolve with cut. Okay, then the chamfer of 2 millimeters by default. Then I want to create this boss. Dimensions are here. 12.5 is this face perpendicular on this line, and 10 is the distance from this face, diameter of 8, hole of 4. Good. I reactivate this plane, visibility. I create a sketch here, F7. I project this line because I draw a vertical line here at a distance of 12.5 from this center. 12.5. This is the line to be used for the other perpendicular plane. Finish sketch, axis, and I select this line. You see? Now I can hide both the plane and the sketch. Visibility. Why? Because now I can create a plane based on this and containing this axis at 90 degrees by default. Okay. I hide the axis, visibility. Oh, no. I use this plane. I project that axis here and I draw a circle on this line. The circle has the diameter of 8. The distance between this face and the center, this face has a projection here, and this is 10. Good. Finish sketch, extrude this area to the part. Okay. Now I hide the axis this work axis again, and we have the feature. The hole inside is 4 millimeters. Hole, this option, this face, this center, and 4 millimeters to what? To this face, you see? Okay. The other cylinder has a hole inside. Dimensions are here: 12, 16, again 12, 3 and 3. Let's do this. We use XY plane, F7, and we draw again a line between these two centers because we can select them. This is a center line, and we draw that lines. This is the first, these are other, and I close voluntarily this. I placed this to be aligned with the other one because they are 12 both. I dimension one and I have dimension for both. This is 3 and this is also 3. I can select this to create the same dimension, and the diameter here is 16, not 12. Fully constrained sketch. Revolve as cut. Okay. Now fillets. We have this for undimensioned fillets, and there are some with other dimensions. Radius 15, this and this. 115 I said, yes. And here is also radius 115. 150, not 15. Excuse me. Good. All other are radius 1. Let's do this. This is 1.5. 1.5. The other one is also 1.5, and also this. Good. Plus 1 millimeter for all other. This one, this one, this one here, and also this one, also this one. Now I'm not sure that we can draw this or this, so that I apply plus and I try with the same 1 millimeter to apply this. This is okay. This, also this, and this is not accepted. I keep pressed shift or control to eliminate this, and okay. Now I see that I cannot apply fillet here because of a restriction here. Yes, what should I do? I'll show you what I do. I go here where this first feature was made. I apply move EOP marker and I have only this. Yes, now I apply fillet of 1 here. Okay, and then I move this to the end. Now I have that fillet, as you can see. Very interesting and useful. Now we can try to see what is the volume. I know that this is created and here it is not created. Yes, it will be a difference between them. There are some holes. You see here this one, this one and this one to be added or subtracted. This is 4 millimeters and the other two also 4 millimeters. I select this face, I project geometry here, I project also here, and I use that points for hole. 4 millimeters already selected here through the part, and okay. Then another hole, this face, this center. Okay, good. Now we can try to see what is the volume. Right click, properties, physical, update. I select this volume, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is this one. There is a difference, as I said. I make this also 3 millimeters, and we select the last value because this is what we did here together. Okay, then I apply the material, steel cast. I apply the light orange for the general aspect. I select some faces to be machined. I keep press the shift button to select that faces. Also this one, also this, and this one. You can add other faces to be used for machining. Then I apply view, visual style, shaded, and the light is default lights. Now we can compare the two, and only this face was not modified, still polished. You see they are similar. The difference is that we have here a fillet, and on the other model this is not placed here. Good. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.